existence. Robot, zombie, pirate, ninjas busy listening, but the city of discovery still needs protecting. So it's time we held some auditions. We've been searching for a couple of weeks. We've interviewed a bunch of weirdos and freaks. Hundreds applied, each one unique. Tonight we separate the strong from the weak. Superhero talent show to find our city's new hero. If you think you could give it a go, it's time for contestants to assemble. Superhero talent show, heroes lined up in a row. The judges will now see you all. It's time for contestants to assemble. Wannabe heroes form an orderly queue. The judges are now ready to see you. You will enter the arena in pairs of two. Face off against each other like you've something to prove. Hero on hero in an epic showdown before a live audience ready for action. People at home can cast a vote and voice their opinions in the comment section. Alright, let's get ready to rumble. You in the cape and the turtle assemble. Superhero talent show to find our city's new hero. If you think you could give it a go, it's time for contestants to assemble. Superhero talent show, heroes lined up in a row. The judges will now see you all. It's time for contestants to assemble. Ding ding. Round one. We got an android Viking up against some sort of tortoise on steroids. What a start. Stay tuned, man. We'll be right back after these messages.